installing a mini split real quick. Probably take me an hour, if that. I already got the head unit put in. I already got the condenser set. So, show you how we do this. At least until my battery does. It is hot out here in Denver today, boy. Upsy daisy. Some of my rags. And this is what we're doing. Little mini splitter. Alright. So, flare nuts on mini splits. Super, super key. I already made some flares. I already got them pre-done, so I'm going to use them. Good. And good. Now, flare nuts are different than these flare nuts. They're deeper. Make sure you put the 45 flare. Some people argue with the 37. Fuck that 37 flare. The 45 works every time. Always save your extra nuts, save your extra little fittings. It always helps. Little plugs, everything. Save it all, because you never know when you're going to need it. Alright, got my couple pieces now. Here's the secret. Dun 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 dun. Alright. Got vacuum pump oil and Nylog. A lot of people use the blue thread seal, and that shit's great, perfect. But this is the new school, Nylog, and it's compatible with CFC and HCFC refrigerant. So what I do is I take a little bead, wrap it around there, get a nice little seal. This stuff's cool. Just take a little bead out, start it, and then it kind of wraps itself. It's pretty good stuff, and that's it. Like that tip clean. Like my shit clean. Clean, clean, clean. Everything clean. So, now that we got that, take a little bit of vacuum pump oil. I like to just put on my finger. Dab it there. Dab it there. And I like to hold this back. Some people like to hold it against. I hold it back until I feel it seat. And then wiggle it. And you're supposed to use a torque wrench on this, but I'm not going to. I'll put too many of these in. We know what we're supposed to be. So pretty much the reason you're supposed to torque it is that if you torque it too tight, it'll blow the flare right off. So, right there. Same thing on this one. A little bit of vacuum pump oil around the inside and on the flare, and this way it'll seat on there real nice. And that's all she wrote. There's a million ways to do this. I like to put my tips on and then I like to braze them because that's just how I like it. How I like it. Alright, and then we'll check those with soap bubbles here in a minute. That's some big blue. Now, make sure your copper is always super, super clean. Like super clean. Soap bubbles, I don't need. Soap bubbles. Yeah, bubbles. Bubble, bubble, bubble. This heat's got me feeling goofy today. So, let's see. Let's see what we got up here. Not bad. 93. Ain't shit. My shards won't fall in because I got a brand new blade. I keep a brand new blade on this shit like all the time. I have like 50 of these in the truck because these are great. I fucking use it as a knife. I use it as everything. It don't matter to me. Make sure all your fittings are real clean. Clean, clean, clean. Okay. Now that those are clean, slide on your fittings. Let's see, this is our top boy. All right there. Clean, clean, clean. Super clean copper. Don't need this. This bad boy, and I'm gonna put some Unistrut on the wall over here. A couple push clamps, soft clamps, and we'll make that all nice and sturdy. I hate when they give me the line sets when they're not together in one insulation. I don't like the dual line set thing. It's stupid. Stupid to me. This bender on. I'm gonna bend me a little angle here. Got me a nice angle to go in. That against the wall. Twist and boom. And boom. Actually, no, I need to shorten this one just a little bit. Just a wee bit shorter, sir. Just to make it perfect. Yeah, I got a Walmart pocket knife, so what? Leave me alone. Maybe I like my Walmart pocket knife. I've gone through so many freaking razor blade knives already that I'm just freaking sick of it. So I bought this cheap old knife from Walmart and it's been freaking great. Make sure you remount your pipes, always. Don't cause a restriction in your own mini split. Residential unit, you could probably get by. But with this one, Where did my coupling go? Where did my coupling go? Sometimes I lose my damn head if it wasn't attached. There it is. Alright. Let me do double work. Sand this bad boy. Good. 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 All right, now we're ready to braise. Some wet rags on that bad boy. All right, time to braise her up. I use the 15. I like it. It works. I always check my torches. I like to do 7 and 12, 5 and 10, whatever. Same shit. If you know how to weld, you know how to weld. You don't need to be all technical on it. I'm going to do a lower heat on this because it's a smaller line set. Always heat up your coupler first and then suck that in. And it'll go right in. That's it. That's all she wrote. Sure, everything's nice and cool. They sell a lot of cool gels for heat trap. That's cool. I'm old school. Get some wet rags. We're good. Call it a day. Check your welds, make sure they're good. Now we'll throw some nitro in here. Got my grandpa's crescent wrench. Thing's from like the 1960s. It's freaking awesome. Alright, big fitting or small? They gave me a big one. Alright. Those off, get those ready. That one off, get it ready. The mini splits, they usually use a smaller Allen key, which pisses me off. I don't like that, but what are you gonna do? Only do so much. You can only do so much with what you got, you know? Look at that, we nasty around here. I don't give a fuck. No fucks given. Alright, let's bust out the testos. Bust out a charging hose. Bust out a low side. And where am I connecting? Mini splits, you have the, you know, different style connectors. I got a whole bag filled with all my brass fittings, micron gauge. I like these. These low loss ones are pretty sweet for these. Pretty freaking sweet. Connect our low side hose. Usually you only get one port on these, which is stupid, but it makes sense because you're only reading the evaporator pressure because the TXV is in here. So yeah, it doesn't make much sense to read it from in there. I decided how you just reading your evaporator delta T, really. That's it. I have a Schrader core tool for this, which I'll use on my vacuum. That'll be good. Alright, so now that we got that there, let's turn our gauges on. Set our mode. PSI. Hook up this to your nitrogen and pump her up. Let her flow. Open up your gauges. I'm only gonna put about 300. I shouldn't be smoking on the roof, but what are you gonna do? I'm a bad boy. .9 in holding, but let me check my little things. Oh, we look good, we look good. Welds look good. Nothing squirting. And we're still at 306.9. So I'm gonna let this run. I'm gonna let my pressure hold for a second, pull a vacuum on it, and then I'm gonna get some unistrut, strut that up, make this a little tighter, a little nicer, and then she's good to go. So you guys have an awesome day. Rock on.